Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day. It's a beautiful day out here, and in today's video, we will be reviewing a platform called a crypto arbitrage platform called arbitrage.com. So let us quickly jump into the video. The first question is, what is arbitrage.com? What are they about? The company claimed that arbitrage is the first private arbitrage platform in Nigeria. The platform allows members to buy USD, GBP, or Euro at arbitrage rates and sell at the black market rates, all on the platform. They said arbitrage will handle all the arbitrage process within hours, and you will get the black market value after successful sale. Now, when you come up here, they said we help you source for USD, GBP, or Euro at good rates, and also help you sell at black market rates, all in one arbitrage platform. Disclaimer: they said arbitrage is not a financial institution. Arbitrage does not source from CBN or banks. Arbitrage is not an investment company or advisor. Arbitrage is a private membership and commission-based business. I don't understand what that means. I don't understand the meaning of private membership, but I understand the meaning of commission-based business. They say services provided are exclusive to private members only, not to the general public. I don't also understand what that means, because every Dick and Tom can come to this website and register an account. So I do not really understand what they mean by it is exclusive to private members only and not to the general public. My first question here is, and that should also be your first question, who is the owner or the founder of arbitrage.com? So let us quickly answer that question. When you come down here to the commonly asked questions, they said, who is the private founder of arbitrage? So let us look at that. They said arbitrage is privately owned by Idowu Emmanuel, an underground arbitrage business expert with vast experience in multi-currency arbitrage methods. So the first thing I did was go to the internet to see the picture of this Idowu Emmanuel, but unfortunately a lot of Idowu Emmanuel came out, so I cannot start bringing up their pictures here because we are not sure of the particular Idowu Emmanuel. But I was thinking that seeing this company openly declare the name of their CEO, there is nothing bad if they also put his picture or videos of him so that we can actually be able to know who is Idowu Emmanuel. You cannot just go to the internet and search for Idowu Emmanuel, and any Idowu Emmanuel who comes up, you accuse him of being the CEO. Just like I told you, I saw a lot of Idowu Emmanuel. But just in case you don't know, my name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Thank you very much if you've been watching my videos. But if this is your first time watching my video, please click on the subscribe button. It's completely free. Nobody's going to charge you a dime for subscribing. And also, please like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to others, so that together we can be able to get every information we need about either crypto arbitrage, dollar arbitrage, or generally how to make money either online or offline. So without wasting enough of your time, let us quickly jump back to the video. So now, another thing about arbitrage, they charge a fee. Arbitrage will charge you a reasonable transaction fee of 10%, the lowest of any arbitrage platform, which means that after each exchange, you will be charged 10% fee. Please guys, watch this video to the end as I withdraw my conclusion at the end of the video. If you just watch this video small and you just run away, you won't be able to know exactly if you should participate in this dollar arbitrage platform. So please guys, watch this video to the end. Now let us look at the market rates of arbitrage.com. They said they buy US dollars at 564 naira, and they sell at the black market rate of 733 naira. That means you will be making about 36 plus here, that's about 69 naira for each $1 arbitrage transaction you do on USD dollars. They also claim that the Great Britain pounds you can buy at 655 naira and sell at 853 naira. Now, I have a question. Let me come in here. If Mr. Ben, or if Mr. Anthony, or if Mrs. Choma knows where she will buy US dollar for 564 naira and sell at 733 naira, the honest truth is that they will not come to you to solicit for fund, because no matter how broke they are, let me say they just have only let me say 100,000 naira on them, and they buy at 564 and sell at 733, and they do this maybe for about 10 times or 20 times in a day, they must have increased that 100,000 naira to maybe 200 or 300,000. Now they come back tomorrow again, and with the capital of 300,000, do this business again. Maybe at the end of the day, they will be able to generate either 500,000 or 600,000 naira for themselves. Having said that, that means before the end of 1 month, whoever have found this golden opportunity should have been able to make a whole lot of money for himself, and he will continue doing this and continue making money for himself without coming to solicit for your help. So coming to ask you for money is my number one red flag. So guys, let us continue reviewing this platform. Okay, so if you watch, okay, let's go down to the commonly asked questions. Is there any risk involved in arbitrage business? Let's see what they said. Arbitrage business is not risky because it only involves taking advantage of two separate prices of the same currency or asset. Arbitrage is the first dollar arbitrage platform in Nigeria. The honest truth is that arbitrage business is supposed to contain just a very little risk if it is done genuinely and if it is done the right way. If there's actually a place you can source dollar or euro at a very low price and sell at a very high price, then there's no risk involved. But now let me come to my conclusion of this video. I don't want to waste much time on this video so that you guys can go and do whatever I want to do. Now my question is, as of the time of making this video, is arbitrage.com still paying? Now let me show you guys something. I went on Nairaland and I was doing my research, and as you can see, as of October 29, 2022, somebody already said the platform is crashing already. Then the next person replied, of course it will crash. Such ventures that always seems too good to be true usually have one comma somewhere. Immediately I saw this message, I decided to go and dig deeper into this arbitrage crashing to know truly if it is crashing or not. Now you guys watch out again. Now on 28, you can see on 28, somebody commented on Nairaland. He said, arbitrage owned and managed by one Emmanuel Idowu. I'm very sorry about all the Emmanuel Idowus out there, because this particular name is beginning to affect you guys, because many guys are going to the internet to look for Emmanuel Idowu, and unfortunately or unfortunately, your picture might just pop up there. Now he said, arbitrage owned and managed by Emmanuel Idowu has pulled scam on us, refused to pay after 48 hours, and has even locked the group. Emmanuel ran advert on where I don't want to talk about that, but just all I just want to say is, can you see this first line? Arbitrage owned and managed by Emmanuel Idowu has pulled scam on us, has refused to pay after 48 hours, and has even locked the group. Please, arbitrage, pay us and save your reputation. everyone, arbitrage is a Ponzi website. Let Emmanuel pay us and save his reputation. Somebody else asks, have you been paid? My money is also in there. That means this particular guy also has not been paid. Then somebody else also said, did you not read Emmanuel Idowu's message on the group chat? Why must you create an unnecessary sign? You will get paid. You will get paid. This is to confirm that these two people who are complaining that they have not been paid for 48 hours, they are actually saying the truth. If you read what this guy said, he said, did you not read what Emmanuel Idowu message on the group chat? We are not interested about Emmanuel Idowu's message. All the participants are interested is pay them their money. What will your message give to them? A lot of fraudulent platforms who came up, once they stop paying people, they drop messages for them. So as you can see, guys, the conclusion of my video is that already the arbitrage platform is already having issues. Will you want to go and put your money in a platform that is already having issue in its very early stages? I'm going to leave the answer to that question to you, so you will make the best decision for your money. But I am not going to invest into this platform. I am not going to put my 1 naira there. I will not allow anybody very close to me to put his 1 naira here. So this is the end of my review on arbitrage.com. Just like I said before, please, if you're my returning subscriber, I love you so much with all my heart. You are the reason I keep doing these videos. But if this is your first time watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. Also, like this video, share this video in every arbitrage platform where you are. Share it now before they lock all their groups, because that's their strategy. Once this platform crashes, they lock all their groups. So please share this video so that other people's eye can be opened, so that they will see what is happening. Thank you guys, and see you again in my next video.